morning, everybody. We are going to walk through our tennis lecture today. Mr. Nessheim, Mrs. Faust is behind the camera. You'll see her in a little bit, and Mr. Finley is here as well. So we'll use this lecture for all of our FIED groups, regardless of your age level. All right, so the first thing we're going to need you to know for the test are the court lines, right? So we're going to walk through court lines. We have the outside line, is the doubles boundary line. That's what you would call it, doubles boundary, okay? Obviously, that'd be 2 people per side. The inside line is your singles boundary line. That's when you're playing 1 versus 1. The area in between is the alley, and the alley is only there, obviously, in the doubles game. If your boundary line is for singles is here. Okay, so singles boundary, doubles boundary, and then alley. Back here, we have the baseline. The baseline really serves 2 purposes, right? It's the boundary line at the back of the court, and it's also the line the server stands behind when they serve. Okay, and that's important to know. A lot of times that will get confused, and you'll see people serving from up in here. So you have to be behind the baseline when you serve, and we'll walk through that in a little bit. The other 2 lines on the court that you'll need to know are the back service line. Back service line. Its function or its purpose is a boundary line for the serve. The serve has to land in front of this line. Okay? Actually, the serve lands inside this box that I'm standing in now. Right? So the back service line. Because it's labeled back service line, often people think they serve from here. Right? So that's not true. You serve from behind the baseline. Then the last line you'll need to know is the center service line, and its function is to divide the court into a right side and a left side. So it's a boundary line on the serve for that purpose, I guess. It's a boundary line. All right, so doubles, boundary, singles boundary, alley. Back service line. Center service line. Baseline here in the back, it's the base of the court. And then we have a mark, it's called the center mark. That's for the server to serve either from the right side or the left side when they serve. We'll move on to scoring here in just a second.